Want to remote start your 2011-2015 Lincoln MKX? It's simple. First, make sure all doors are locked and the hood and trunk are securely closed. Then, press the lock button on your key fob twice quickly. Immediately after, press and hold the start button, circular icon, for 2 to 3 seconds. You'll see the turn signals flash and the engine should start. The system runs for 10 to 15 minutes, then shuts off automatically. To extend runtime, repeat the start button pressed during the initial window. To stop manually, press the start button again or unlock the doors. If it doesn't start, check key fob battery and ensure you're within 300 feet. If your MKX remote start isn't working, it could be due to low key fob battery, security settings, or a fault in the car's system. Consider a battery replacement for your key fob, as they generally last up to 5 years. For enhanced features, aftermarket kits like the Viper Smart Start can add smartphone control, potentially boosting your car's resale value. Watch out for compatibility issues and consider upgrading your firmware with Ford to address any security risks. Remember the 2024 recall for keyless entry vulnerabilities. Always check for current security measures to prevent hacking. Modern trends include more app-based systems, making older fobs outdated. If problems persist, visiting a Ford dealer for diagnostics is recommended.